malawak po kasi yung exam coverage. The 5 core areas. It includes mathematics, English, analysis, current events, Philippine history, a part of the Philippine Constitution, and a part of RA 6713. Yun yung nakikita po na lalabas dyan sa civil service examination. So, ano na yung breakdown ng civil service exam? Ano ba ang nai-represent sa exam during the course of the exam na ikaw ay dapat obligado mag-answer sa questionnaires? Of course, the exam is given in English and Filipino. At in these two subjects, ang aim nito is language proficiency. Paano to? You will be tested on the grammar rules, grammar, the right usage of the English and the Filipino language, paragraph organization. Ito yung part ng exam na talagang kumakain ng oras pag hindi mo alam talaga ang technique nito. Paragraph analysis or organization. Ano ang sentence number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. But of course, before you answer that, you must have to understand the paragraph. You must have to organize the paragraph. The other one is vocabulary. The antonyms and synonyms, part of the vocabulary, and reading comprehension, how you understand the contents of the paragraphs. Yan ang coverage for the English and the Filipino language proficiency. No? Come to think of it that the exam is a 170 item questionnaire given in 3 hours and 10 minutes. And we are now into the coverage. Paano mo ba ilalagay or how would you use your examination time to fully answer all of these questions? Yan po ang isang challenge dyan.